There's a Chinese laundry man, a famous Mr. Wu. He's shut his Chinese laundry shop and he's waiting cleaning too. He's got another job and it's one of the best. Now he's doing his bit for England like the rest. And Mr. Wu is now an air raid warden and isn't he cute in his new silent suit. He goes round every night to make the blackout sure. And if you had a chink in your window, you'd have another one at your door. His headquarters explain are down by Lover's Lane, and he goes there every evening anyhow. He'll flash his torch into the dark, and the girls uncover their laundry mark. Mr. Wu's an arid warden now. One night while on his beat, a couple he did meet. They were cuddling in the shelter anyhow. He said the old Clee's gone, you see, and the chap said, boy, you're telling me I'm Mr. Wu's an arid warden now. His cousin one way in, one day was helping him to shift a time